Hey everybody, Josh RV Nerd here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, again with another little industry status update. Today I want to get you up to speed a little bit on what's going on with factory RV shipping rates. So figured we could take a little walk and I could get you caught up here. So what's going on is, I'm not going to get into the what and the why, because it doesn't matter, because it's happened and it doesn't matter why it happened. Long story short, shipping rates to get the RV from the factory to a dealership have gone up. Now, something a lot of people don't realize is that freight is not standardized in this business. So, like this Jayco right here behind me, it costs the same to build for any dealership in the nation. We buy it for the same price. But Haylett RV, we're located very close to where these things are put together. So we pay absolute minimum factory shipping rates. Now, that's not true of every dealership, of most dealerships, in fact. Longer distance places like, say, Texas, California, where there's not a local production facility, shipping out there could be $3,000-$4,000 that we don't have here, so you don't have to pay for that as a consumer. Because the thing is, at the end of the day, it's not the dealership paying for shipping. We might pay for it up front, but at the end of the day, when you buy the RV, you're paying for it. At the end of the day, a consumer will always pay for transportation charges on something. If a company ever advertises free shipping, it's because you already paid for it. I mean, we all know that, but there is something magical about that word free, isn't there? Yeah. I like it. I fall for it too. I'm no different from you, even though I'm in this business where language can have different meanings. Like, I'm not immune to it, and they know it. But long story short, what all this means is that it is actually more advantageous now than ever to purchase from Haylett RV, because we still pay absolute minimum shipping rates. So even though national factory RV delivery shipping costs have gone up, ours really haven't. So another thing a lot of people don't realize is that aftermarket shipping, such as if you call us and you buy this Wildwood behind me and you want it shipped to your front door, we can do that. And we actually can do it for less per mile than factory shipping, which is kind of cool. Don't ask me why. I just know that it happens that way. I know that it works out that way. And so even if you don't want to drive out to Michigan or something like that, we can still put it on your front door, save you a few dollars. Now, if you do decide to make the trip over here, that's where you really save, folks. And the further away you are, the more you will save versus somebody 5 minutes from your front door, basically. The reason being, when you come to pick it up, you will cut out about 2/3 of potential shipping charges that you would otherwise have to absorb as a consumer. Now, you'll have some travel costs, you'll have some food and lodging. That will be vastly less. Like, if you make the trip out just from Oregon to purchase a trailer from Haylett RV, you'll probably save, I'd say, upwards of $2,500. That's a rough figure. It depends on exactly what you're buying, but you get the idea. It adds up quickly. Then, on the way home, you can kind of leapfrog stop to stop, use the RV, because you bought it to use it, right? So why not start right away and enjoy yourself, because that's kind of the whole point of this thing, and laugh all the way to the bank. Save that money, buy some accessories, because you know how you can tell if your neighbor just bought an RV? Because there's a mountain of Amazon boxes on their front porch. So that's what's going on right now, guys. Hope you appreciate the information. Not my longest big update today, but thanks for going on a walk with your old Uncle Josh, the RV nerd. As always, make sure you hit that little subscribe button so you can stay in tune and tuned in to what's going on in the industry. And as long as you keep wanting them, I'll keep trying to put these little updates out. So as always, take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy Haylett camping, everyone.